Dear God, I surrender this day completely into your hands. Please fill my heart with peace. When I feel anxious, grant me comfort. When I feel weak, give me strength. As I face challenges, walk with me and guide me to overcome them all. May this day bring new joy and opportunity. God, I love you and I promise to share this prayer. I have no idea what's happening in my life right now, but I still trust you. My life has not always been easy, but one thing I know, you have never left my side. Thank you, and I love you. Thank you for another day of my life, for the breath in my lungs, and for a body that works. Even the ability to work and accomplish tasks comes from you. Every good thing I have and every dream I hold is a gift from your hand. Help me to walk in gratitude today. Recognize your provision and grace in all areas of my life. May my heart be filled with thankfulness, and may my actions reflect my appreciation for all you have done for me. Empower me to shine brightly for you, so that when others see me, they may see reflections of your love and grace. Guide my actions and words to align with your will, allowing me to demonstrate the beauty of living under your lordship. May my life serve as a beacon of hope and a testament to your transformative power. Help me to embody the waters of Christ, so that through my example, others might be drawn closer to you. Thank you for the gift of mothers, their love, their strength, their selfless hearts, and their quiet sacrifices. Today we honor the women who have nurtured, cared for, and poured into others with grace and compassion. Bless every mother, grandmother, and mother figure with peace, joy, and renewed strength. For those who are grieving, waiting, or hurting, today wrap them in your comfort and remind them of your nearness. May every mother feel deeply loved and appreciated, not just today, but every day. And may they be reminded that you see them, value them, and walk with them through every season. Dear God, we come before you with hearts full of faith, knowing that you are able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think. According to the power that works in us, encourage us to trust in your limitless ability and your profound desire to bless us beyond our imaginations. Help us to dream boldly and pray with expectancy, not limiting your capabilities with our doubts or fears. May our lives reflect a deep confidence in your promise and a readiness to receive the fullness of what you are willing to provide. Teach us to rely on your generous nature and your extraordinary plans for our lives. Dear God, thank you for the assurance found in Philippians chapter 1 verse 6 that you, who began a good work in me, will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus. Your faithfulness gives me hope and confidence as I walk through each day. Help me to trust in your timing and to remember that you are always working in my life, even when I can't see the full picture. Strengthen my faith to stay committed to the process, knowing that you will finish what you started in me. Thank you for guiding me through every obstacle I face. Your word says, "Be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. Put on the full armor of God, so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes." I hold on to this truth as I navigate challenges. Even when it feels hard, I know you are walking with me every step of the way. Your presence gives me strength and courage to keep moving forward.